God bless you. God bless you, all of you, all those online. God bless you. Please, when you come online, you share, and also you help me to do watch party wherever you are. Let's do best as we can and share the program. Please, wherever you are, help me to share and also do watch party. God bless you wherever you be, wherever you are. Help me to share. I want to give a short advice into our people. I want to give short advice, so wherever you are, and help me to share this program, and also give comment. If you have questions or comment, you are welcome. It's very, very important we do such a program, wherever you are. God bless you. Maybe I will be able to Sammy. Start out there, I have so breakfast yesterday. We will have gone on yes, I to say, we're not going before we not check it. God bless you. God bless you. And so, pass one wash a line, and then the person, yeah, advent for two dinner, each year. Our name be a Coswa and Sasa AC. Yaya, and the people who look back of family be at your house by 8 Sabita Fletcher. I give you one more. Said, I got me fire, I am feeling near tree. I am feeling yes, now, yes, sorry, chances, and you'll have a trouble no meal. To be a will be a slow of a balance to be a modern share. Onzaka, or modern share. Yes, I was saying to be we will be a modern share. Wherever you are, help me to share and invite somebody to be part of the program. Wherever you are, help me to share and invite somebody to be part of the program. Very, very important. Maybe I will be a Messiah for modern share, mommy. Now, you pass and Ayenya bofo betro ye nina ye so maybe I will be na me pesa me ne Ghana for ye shia ye di komo maybe I will be a meso okasa hu nya pa ti me number yi ebetro bra na ye to atene e won ye maybe a koso Ghana man said ya me ni na ho ne ato adene won ye maybe mu prophet Yamisha pa prophet Collins maybe I will be Yamisha Islam amuna ne mi hia obi adwen to Pastor Williams, Islam and Demi, him in Amadrin, Jehovah, baby, and the best is small. We said, never be possible Ghana, say, in Aya and Shah. How can you ever bro man with the penara? Ama, Debbie, no, I quite how can you pa with the number 230. Islam, I made my WhatsApp number so to Islam. I'm inviting Crawford in Nayan. Now, me here and Crawford adventure to pray. I was asking me here adventure. As we are the National Banana, you try to add the WhatsApp number so to. Mr. Mohammed, the WhatsApp number is so baby, I will be with me at first WhatsApp. Now, the person may born you kakre me. Now, you're the assembly ever to the army here will be adventure, Mr. Moma, ye ni Ewadi, in Iron Chair, the near Cassam. Sir, young Cassan found one day, a baby tree, one, a woman, my tree, one. It's a really a crew muscle, Yamano, and Kodabe, be our ancestor for Koda. Sir, young more home modern arm, Mayeni Ann Nawa, or man, Yatiwa, Yamimechen Grand Test, more yet many Moshe. Now, Saudi, you need to form one deja. West Africa, Muja, Muja, Buswa City. Sabta Frata, Yamagana. And yet, the quiet is Ghana, man, and can phone to Pata, as a song. Yami Edna, boy, a chibai, a boy, a chidom amas, is in Yamaka. To Miss Robert, will be a home modern. Obe home modern, Amas answer me and let me back minimum betty. But to me, Edward and to Miss Robert, will be a share. Then invite to be Susuna, Ombra, and Fanadrembra, near to it's a name be possible, minding one or creamy. I need to some any passes. Name be possible, I need to some any passes. That's so, year near, and maybe a copasa, and one and yet, and shadow. Oh, man, Yaria, baby, be said in blue, said you blew over my Ghana for a bit of a year. He said, Nipabi, everyone Casa Prapash on some. Now, Adia, Ahmetin says, ABO do, then Sunabia, Oba, and now who will be a Koyadi, be not going to send in any more. As my Rebecca is sanity. To Miss Ramon, Monshe, no inviting. Now, Monshe Madrid. A very, very important one. Sanamide, Brudan, the bombing the Kakwe. Young fat and winner is just what is Sasubi. Now, your mom would inviting for beyond children. What comment and answer WhatsApp number TV. That the water by on now once watch. Now, yet to be up to a about his head. And mine. Yeah, back of family at your most and I met us. I am Shaham and Kofubi. I did not make us here up to your swan. Yet to me, Moshe. What you am a slop, baby, I will be up home water. Sir, which one am I? The man in the Nigeria pair. To so baby, I will be a Twanamo. I never saw me here will be adventure. We are so full. We are sorry, Bob. Since I was a gun and the bank was so modern natural water. And then I talk about now I'm white. So, man, if you find a something for Ghana, there's something to Ghana, there's something. Yeah, and now, mammy, and now, papa, how can you about to be able to be so to our minimum ever charge. Now, in the record tree, so now you have to answer near her city as my minimum became. And into Chilimuno, I was a son of Chileana, yes. Some of your mamma and your sitting in an Ewichilim Ghana, so your mam, your Yama, you are never between Ewichilim. And into my young fat never be answer, and some and Yama answer say, I did go and Amane uzwa Yesua Brenasio Otu Yensu Zanzuswa Mojano Akanenimwa Wadi Kugo Ampa Ebonum kakre bom nyame nyum kakre bi beslemo na yede dibadie no abetwaso timisron kan invite you bi sebeya ke bedru se de members no nanka at least no once one in child nanka what me enya abotre atre obi ono a o ka bibi no no so our verification bia obeye na ni balance wetimi aye o verification bia bi antinka se bo modern na share na invite you bi fi se asem no ACC no we asem aha and we are saying, we move from Namibia and find a Ghana micro there. And we be sent to me, if you say, oh, man, you're going to anyone else, or mine, or mine, Yandidaho. There's also a coban, you know, me and my uncle for us of be beside me, say, ah, now a gentleman, the panty, or you crew for a day, and nam so da bia ni yekrum na wie de menya ho ayibi a kire ama mahunu se o se mia mi krum Ghana pa na enema boni bi sei ekoso na ahmetesem so fre unua no mehwe asoma America no bi na obi anso so kire na adwene ewo misro menko tra ho bomodra ye nyina ye ncha adwene ni entua ho fo ni enku ebefa so ebekasa akire ye nua no a ye no omo atifie no fi se ebinum afare se omo de bibia mfa ho na enso emfa ho ebewi akire no na ye frɛ wo se o asɛm a asini o brafie bɛboa na asɛm a asini o yɛyɛ ne dan sɛbe yɛtu kwanse bebe bibia kofie ba ya ankasa yɛ mmaga na bio ɛne nti so bi temanim na ɔyɛ nneɛma bi a ɛnyɛ na yɛ anka yɛbɛtena ase ayɛ afie bɛduru bi sɛ deɛ wo nso bi a womfiem sɛ deɛ wɔbɛkɔ fie sɛ o metu kwanse mekɔpɛ sika ma sɛ megye passport o sɛ megye residence o sɛ megye deɛ bɛyi o sɛ ma wowɔ aburokyi o sɛ ma ware buroni ba o ne deɛ berɛ so sɛ me nso bi a meba betra fie saa brɛ no na wo nso so no wokɔ akɔhyia nkwanhyia bi a na ani so a wokɔhunu w'ani so nneɛma bi a wontumi nya ho hwee fi sɛ saa ne yɛatrɛ mu ɔmbɛka so na so wɛdi ɛnnɛ saa ne yɛatrɛ mu a bɛduru nnɛ ɛno nti saa mmere na ɛsɛ yɛsi nneɛma bi ano kwan na yɛhwɛ sɛ nnipa binom mfa ɔman no nhyɛ wɔnom nsɛm ɛnyɛ adeɛ a wɔnom pɛ ɛno fi sɛ ɔman no sɛ yɛtra ase a yɛhunu sɛ Ghana yɛ ɔman a sɛ yɛyi ani a nipa bi betra manim adi aniemo ho sam ama akwakofa no me abreman no ye ntra se hwe sa ade we manisi ne se kina ani ti kwan bia so no e wo se ye twato adwene ne ye cha adwene mesro wo ba so a share na invite obi wa bra ye programming from somewhere to stand up with that there fa with that mo she kakra ne en fa winsi kwa nyum we say ba na me de be she program na se nyum we say si a me ba be she program na se ba bia obi a nyum we say si me ba be she program na se ntimi sra share na free obi na ma obi aso nti se asoma me ne ye nyina ye beto ato adwena kan afa Ghana fo ma ane ye ne ma bi a ye trans ne atumodin sam ne mbra bi a ya sesa hye ye nsam o man no your dignity e wo baby until we have to protect our dignity yentimi transfer binum anu adwane kakra o mu bedi nti o mo nya ne o mo pa da bi ye nya ye mo ne sa o man bi ani wa bitima trum aye ne wo pe because of ufi grum ho no ufi grum ho asabita frate enya won ko anda ufi grum no ebinum dia ebinum su firi mu eni tu betima atra ofie aye ade bi na akwa ha obi ti sa brochima mu ha program yi menumi ma loan no me bona me ade sakwa ni mu kakra kra na ese medum no kra ade entrepreneur me ni binum eneti blog no me binum so etimantem ha ntino me ntimi metran mantem ha mo num de ade amese fie ne na otu aka na ase fie ne ya media da bi e wo mse ya ade na enso so mra e wo mantem ha se bintimi de ha obi ade ne sa na wo se yenso so o man na ho no awo se unu se mra wo ho se wontimi so enye niema enwu o man ni depend mu ase asema hu ya pa timisro ma asema me de betu dwan mesra mo ma obi a nkyere na adwene na di obi an susu ye ne be bia no yemfanto na yentu ya ho fu yentu o man fo fi se nipa bi o a wudi na chi a o de ha o be fi ye ntrase mu bi ko fa ha o ne amane Sadi affecting crofo I work on to papa. Because every war ho na group 4 year near more who simply anase and grass GB and near branch la simply. So who said be an any back or your home. Bako war na fi overhena group 4 year near Jabra simply. Just a can home in the year. The abandons are waiting the background and any more grass. If it's his spear, na ni na no church mu ne ni na no church mu ne ni na me church mu ne ti e pasa and then obia ye na adwene bi sama kokko ye se voice ne ba kate enti ya me ne mo e ka ase mu mesra mo ba bia mo obia mana adwene emra fom e ma me na mo ntie asema ye kan mi se nyankopon be hye no ho animunyam ama ye nyina aso ya adwene akɔpɛn krom enti mesrɔn baabi a obia wote me ne a mesrɔn bi ntwam nko gyina asɛm isu tie bi ka bi kyerɛ wadwene na ye ntoato adwene nipa binum de ɔman no kɔ baabi a ɛnsɛsɛ kɔ obia no asɛm timi kopagya ɔkon brɛ ɔman obia no asɛm Ivory Coast so the ni ba ko pɛ na kɔgye I mean electional papers papers a wɔtete mu a ɛkɔfa wuo ɛne ɔhaw ne amane bebree brɛ ɔman na nso so na ɔman panyin no te fie ɔman panyin no te ne fie na so the ni kɔgye tete mu ɛno akyire no ɛna afei deɛ hwɛ amane ɛkɔkɔto ɔman mu ni nyinaa nti baabi a wo bia mesrɛw sɛ ɔteme ne a mesrɛw sɛ bi a obi nte sound so so a mesrɛw mbotumi ama mahu sɛ wonte sound a mbotumi ama mahu mesrɛ mo paa wonte sound a wobɛtumi ama mahu ne yɛhu deɛ woyɛ bisi aden ayɛ no bia na wonte sound a mesrɛw boa me yɛ ade a ho hia wonte sound a boa me na yɛhu ne yɛbɛyɛ no very very important paa mene mo edi nkomo bi na saa nkomo yi ben kuti nyame nhyira wo mesrɛ mo amaba so nyinaa nyame nhyira wo bia George nyame nhyira wo bia mede asɛm bi beto dwa na de di kan no me example ɛwɔ yekurum haspin ha ya yewi yekurum haspin ya yewi edrubre bi na emma binom ɛfato wɔn wankasa ɛho so ɛna ɔnom ɛyɛ wɔn ho sɛ ɔmpɛ so ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo pɛ ɛwɔ kuro yi mu ɛnti ɛkɔba sɛ emma ya binom timi hyɛ nika ketekete sabre kra de ɔmo hyɛ mini skirt ketekete na ɔmo hyɛ singlet na sabita fracha wɔn awa mu ne wɔn ho nyinaa gu hɔ na wɔn foro metro na wɔn foro bus na ahomete sɛm ne sɛ woforo metro a wɔn make sure sɛ metro mu bepie na wɔn adikan ehuri maya na wɔn ahuri adikan nti no wonam wɔwɔ fam a woforo kɔsoro na sabita fracha ɔbaa ho nyinaa gu hɔ nti sɛ sabita fracha saa abrɛ no sɛ wɔyɛ fasting mpo na sɛ wopie a ɛyɛ ni to sɛm papapapapapa wɔyɛ deɛ ɔbɛhunu ɔbaa ho na wɔyɛ fasting a wɔkɔhunu ɔbaa ho biribi so nhyɛ hwee ɔmo yɛ saa nneɛma yi akɔ animu mesrɛ ɔmo nhyɛ mame na mo invite nkurɔfoɔ na obi anso nkyerɛ n'adwene mame mede whatsapp number na ato so mesrɛ mo fra a yɛbɛfa kasa meyɛ no computer no so a mentimi mobile no so a wote don't worry mame ɛno nti ɔmo yɛ saa adeɛ ya ma ɛkɔ affect Spanish for ma ɔmo ware ahɔhoɔ because Spain ha no na ɔmo ware ahɔhoɔ bebree ɛnti ahɔhoɔ na ɛbaa ahɔhoɔ na ɔnom ɛne ɔnom abusuafoɔ ɔnom ekununum ne ɔnom yerenom ba na fe adeɛ ne kɔyɛ ha ɔkɛseɛ ma wɔn ɛnti na ahyɛ aseɛ ama Spanish foɔ bebree awadeɛ ɛɛsɛe nkwanhyia ne ade nti no wobɛhɛ no wei ne wɔkunu efiri bi a baabi ɔmo aba ɔmo ɛɛba holidays wɔ ɔmo kurom ɔbɛba na afei ɔmo bɛkɔ akɔhyia na abɛyɛ bi aworɔ no ho nti ɛba ne saa aborɔfo nso deɛ nteteɛ deɛ ɛyɛ first thing ɛno nti ɛba ne saa afei di pakoro no kɔ a wɔse no mema ɛnkɔ wo kurom hɔ bio because mo kurom hɔ no mu ni nteteɛ mekɔ yɛ nneɛma a mehunu no ɛnyɛ ɛno nti ɛkɔyɛ ha wɔkɛseɛ paa na wei nyinaa mu no ɛna Spanishfoɔ ɛmma binom ne mmeranteɛ bi ɛba abɔntene ne aban no bɛkasa sɛ ɔmo deɛ pam no otwa no ɔmo ne aban no ka sɛ aban no amfa mmarakwan so ansi saa deɛ no kwan a ɔbaa bi ɔmo bɛhyia no abɔntene biara no ɔmo bɛyɛ den ɔmo de no bɛto fam kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ ne tuo ɛno nti ɛnam saa de ban no nti no aban no ɛyi apolisifoɔ bɛgu abɔntene ɛma mmea mani meduru abɔntene train station. Oh, Mercy, I'm very sorry. Today I'm doing this program because I want to tell Ghanaians some specific things that is going on that is very shame and it's very bad. That is why I'm speaking my language. So please, I'm sorry. But you can still help me to share. Let some people get this movement because certain shameful things is going on in Ghana and it is giving very bad image to Ghanaians, which should not be. So please, in case maybe you don't hear my language, just help me to share. Because it is our responsibility to let the people know wrong things should not be done because the land belongs to God. And if we cannot keep the land pure, we will be responsible of any tragedy and God will hold us responsible. So when in Spain, Hano, Ekoba said, or abani yi a police for go abontene. Mia many, yes, mia many between a train station and who says Spanish in Abaya. Or my friend, dear, some I was saying, one way Cromany, and I was in Farm, Menim ye feast train station, and they are by a call outside. Say on quiet do obey, but say obey fruit train, no, a bit in my yet near maybe see the end of the end, Juma. So, I don't mean you are Miss Low, dear. I say me obey so one found one, and so why man found one, a bedroom baby, a back or how Cassia. so ɛnti ɛkɔba na sɛ ɔmo kan sɛ ɔbaa bi ɔmo bɛhyia na wahyɛ mini skirt ayi sɛbe ne ho agu hɔ biara ɔmo bɛbɔ ne tuo ɛma Spanish aban so hunu sɛ nkurɔfo no akasa aba no de ade akata wɔn anim ɔmo mini business with anything a nkurɔfo no bɛyɛ biara ɛnti Spanish aban ankasa so mu ɛmiki sure sɛ saa deɛ no nkɔ so na nneɛma bi akɔ so a mepɛ sɛ mobile line so medi kan ɛda nneɛma binom adi akyerɛ mo na yɛhwɛ so ne yɛde kasa because ani wusɛm bi ɛrekɔ so na adeɛ baako no sɛ firi bɛɛ naano na adeɛ no kɔɔ so foforɔ no a obi frɛ me sɛ sɔfo hwɛ adeɛ bi ɛrekɔ so nam so yɛ kurom deɛ nneɛma sɛ deɛ ɛnyɛ yi na awie me wɔ hɔ a afei deɛ mɛtea sɛ hwii paa kukuru adɛn yɛakye nipa no yɛbo no aku no na sɛ betafrakyɛ sɛ sɔfoɔ bi na ɛkɔyɛ yɛ a saa mmere nka waduru police station dendendendende ɛna menim nipa koro a ɔno mmarakwan ɔwɔ mmarakwan sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wɔtumi kyi nipa ɛbu nipa no aku no mesrɛ mo paa meba volume no wɛ ntomatɔ monhwɛ adeɛ a asi o macho asema esi mepesa meyɛ no mepesa ɛsan ba mepesa meyɛ ne yi na obi a wɔ ha bia wo hunu sɛ de adeɛ no fitia because Ghana no kame akɔyɛ de sɛ obi yɛ biribi na sɛ ɛwɔ fa baabi a yɛmfa yɛ ne ntoto yɛnka ho asɛm afei hwɛ adeɛ a esi Homacho baby amede ha AC kakra na mesen atoa so mesra mo mo amena menhye na enne mini asset amede be share because of mobile na am dey we na ye invite nkrofo na ye ntimi enko ye ni tie kwan ben emra ben ene wo Ghana se obi etumechi obi se wo ye bayifo nti wo kunu Ghana fahe ye constitution no fahe na ya twere se wo ye kramoniu se wo ye Kristo niu se wo ye bosomsum niu even po ahemfo pokra ahemfo numpo a onom ene ye kurawura asase wurafo mpo no wonom ma wonom ho kwan se obetima chi nipa atwaliti emra ehya police fo nsem Ghana mebisa IGP se wahu ana wonhunu ye president no bi kodidi na tam anka wate editi onte opesa ote a onte ompesa onte so ama onte na ho nsunsu aso beba Enitina me friend numre ni atu ya hofo se sabeta frache emra ben ene makwan se wutimichi obi se oye bayifo wo maame so e wo maame wo tifie no oye den evidence ben ena owa e kire se nipa no eye bayifo min defend ya bayifo but e wo se emra eye adwuma ene de wiase adu no wuntimi mfa otan first ne yesi yakwachi obi obayifo ne ya bro no abikura ne nipa no yare ebikura ne nipa no problem bi oyetimi bu obi sa na odi hunu akeka nsem ayenim kura se Yesu nam kura me wi bi na wakeka nsem sa ene bi atwam ene ti nipa kura se wo se akoma fa wo a ye wakoma adwuma nya se wo kwachi obi abebo no o ma ne mra wom die ne masa akwan me pese ye de ko ba abrobu so na ye hwehwem na ye hunu se niema bi ho no mani kwa se den esi ade no ayeye no niema ayete man mu ayeye no eye nome ene ye de brasa no wutie eye nome ene ye de brasa no eye nome ene ye de brasa no ene ntimi ne umienu die na yeye se obi atimi achi obi ato ho ma me abasiruasi abrewase na wachi na ato ho nom na ukura ba na we de ne pan we de ne tim na obi atam se brogo se de ben you na de akobo ne tim pan na ni pa atwa ho ahia wo ye bayfo nsi wuku no wonkwa ono nkwa na ebayifo ewo kurom ho ono nkwa na ebayifo ewo kurom ho mo pa bayifo wo ga na mo nkọ parliament nkrofo na egu parliament wo mo na ya bayifo a wono mo nwini nipa nkwa ho a wono mo pre wo no muti ba akofo timi time billions no de akoto dan wa America no we de akoto Dubai no we de akoto Canada no we de akoto Britain na mo de atotototo saafo no na edi munya ye pese hu nipa edi enya eni ti se wo se ukura tumi a wo che bayifo a esa wo de evidence no ema police for se me Europe wa ye wo spiritual court ni spiritual police ni bibia wa ha o eni ti no wuntimi nya de wo pe nti wonka jam wuntimi nka jam se Ghana ye ni binti enya ne den yenya ne den se me dru Ghana na won so me di tuo ball na me ka kire wo se wo ye bayifo no me hu no waku a eno de ebenya bibia ka nti mesere mo enya asofo asem na me de be ko twire mu so am ye hu se sebetafrache ye ni kwan se ye de mra bi hye yensem ne ye de mra hye yensem so ye se fa no kwan so e wo se e fa no kwan so die kwan die wan ne ma sa nipa na kwanya se wo watimi achi obi atena abontene bono akuno ye twa no ho ahia police fo okuro no mpanyimfo okuro no enti mpanyimfo okuro no entimi ntrase nwini hu se de wiase aduru de maiga na aduru no bia ni kwan se ofa marahye ne nsem se wo de ye de wo pe se wo ye wosum nyameo se wo som bosumo man no eda neutral a obi ani kwan se wo be ka se me de mesum nyame nti se na me ye me de mesom bosum nti se na me ye na won kwa na bosum bo fie sa de we ye hia se IGP state security agent omo be make effort immediately we hia ye pese ye hu action immediately ye pese o man di na ni be sin krofo binim so na nkrofo binim de ye bibia enya ye ni afirisi no Ghana ni bia ye Ghana ni ye muntie ni ye ba Ghana ni bia ye Ghana ni ye ni sabe donko wo Ghana ene ye ni nipa Jimmy for Ghana obia ye Ghana ni ye beto abai krom ho ye nto aba so omo to aba na omo yi panyina ye beka se obi hu tumi so beka se wo mpene DNT NSA tumi company si na de dikan no momo abo am na momfa makwa nkyere mra nipa kro de wakwa nkyere be ba mesro WhatsApp number no me de ato board ma mensa nkyere WhatsApp number ne bio se uni Barcelona hanawo outside Barcelona ben 0034 na 640 344 532 me WhatsApp number no person ofra e bit makasa also samefa so nti mom yenhwe ade a esiye meba mom yenhwe ade a esiye so ho mom yenhwe ade esiye ade nti eye si akwache maame dipa kro no o maame we so ho bro ye bayifo wo maame enye bayifo wo na ye bayifo so ho sabeta frate oba bi siso otimi de no ho brabonea gu no ho fi bosome miensa bia wo ye anyinsengu bosome miensa bia bosome mienu bia no ye anyinsen agu na wo se wo ye funu wie na wo kwa awade no wa anwo ba wo se yambu obi nkunu because wona ama wa anwo wona wa ama wa anwo tamwa wonum aduro wonum nro se wo ye funu no na wo nwene se da bi wo be wo wusi so a ukofa bema we no akofa we afi wa bedru ba bi se kunu hu aya diama no wo maame a wotene ba bi a wonum hwe no wono na wo de kwasua no so tamwa na wo bo wo hu donkomi okuru mo no wa hunu ye tufu a na ye kasa che o sa akosi ade oni na wade obema bi aba ho a mempe no wo ye hwai ena nkrofo bo gala wonum nsa na ye opasabasa wo ho abo ho so a afi de wo de kwa akosua obi wo ya brantie kosua adwuma wo se wo nsua adwuma unsua adwuma wi na obenom abrabo apo abansam wo a wo be ka kire obi se obi na eye wo wunim se wo ye jimifo wannom nsasa masabe wunni ne wo sin nyina kasa akwati ye fia ha ye nya sa de na ye nim guasesam wo se ni obi na be kire wo na eye wo mpa adwuma waafo kwa afu mu ba no wo tifie na wonnom nsa na wonnum wi na nkwase asem na repi ni ade nkrofo ma na wo repi wo mo enne wa be gina ho se wati obi abeto abontre se wo ye bayifo macho mama ye ni na ho niema bi ho no mo ai ni kwan se ye soso so e wo manim visi obi ti Ghana wawo mamu beye nsia nso ana nwotwe ana adu onware yempo sankra no behuna mane a wafam no times 2 sankra no fi se wo wonni no wo sehwe wo enya aduane to ma wudie wo ye kra de wo mane nise mpana ma no wawo wo mpo a wo maame ye wo maame no papa ho ade wo papa ye wo maame ho ade a omotra ase bo bra mpo no hwe bra wo bre wasase so na wo kwo wo emma empana magu ho eni ti se munu se obi kasa wo ye common sense person wa wo mpana nwotwe a me hunu se nipa se betafrat wo te se kraman po wo wo nim ne ma wa wo ma be du ana nwotwe are oh evangelist evangelist frewa ha oh me receive no video ana Aja, praise God.
Hallelujah, Baba.
What was about video and answer a year?
Oh, baby,
I can my friend video nanke who and him because a strong big evangelist. My selective video, think I was selective video now, Babaso.
Okay, I'm in for video.
Sir. Okay. Evangelist Ben Kwesi, one of the bold and strong Christian Yenya Jidini Bakwa, on also Ben Kwesi or Britain, and now free. I want also Miss Remo, I'm the evangelist. I'm the evangelist, yeah, here that introducing the case because on the international evangelist, will be a Nimono, who are winning Papena, MC Bikrana, also now media names I want to. One of the big evangelists says he carry yembre mu pa nipa Europe ha utimi searching no kre eka ema wo bia akoma mu tono evangelist Kwesi ene ne nyame adom yensa ka no wa hai o ya apostle so wo mpe o the evangelist no so de ya te ase so ho nti apostle Kwesi abeduru ye abeka yensa nti epese yetie wono so nani mu asem kakra me se wo hwa o Britain or Britain will be at the near being a niate or church amamre. Just at the mammy pepper yasam ne say ye cat gospel, any religion, or any power with him a church amamre menisi or some so. Emma you say yes, you cry a name, my yeno, a bin more or babroom, name me a diabos musma bata hunting the entiase, or church amamre, or church the asetremu who two for a canny moon. Now, dear me penasem say so. Oh, Betty Bonnie, Abba, Bonnie, dear, but pay won't penasem. Now, Tina Miasama dear, and the open penasem pa, evangelist Kwesi, ya, mon subscribe all. I want the YouTube, now the Facebook, so open say, Yamiasem Tiasia, open say, what who quite over Faswa, Obetra Brabum, Amen Yame, a pewasama door, Ama won't quite every payer, evangelist Kwesi, a Jaquaba, Bishop.
Yaja, when you can see a reverend, Uncle Ponchal. Namisha Pane and then a Jumapa, oh yeah. Namichian Metia or Tifuna na Inano programmer, Nasa, a somehow bound the room, Yina Swetimere, I tell you because a year and Graciani no me at the Mao Magana. Tis a baby or mana could room, as a new for. O Maya, young found Koda and Yashi. O my young family for any action, some money needs as well. Now, I give a very sad, and I say, I very bad. My man said, Mammy, the end of 90 plus. You need a Gribia, a better trust you who say, in Nipa say a lot of disease affecting again. Ya dear baby, a farmer me again. Now, I bring what this a baby and now what to me, Busaze. Etimami, it is an bush and be was Sika, and as an bush and be MP, and take a number of sit away.
Ah, Nacasaja Funtan, who's I?
What do you say? Ya Buka, Eddie Mamma, better not Bawa, Mammy TV, no foot, which make the bed a boy, a dear evidence now, what just Mammy Bay. The Bay said, they are man. What do you say? Ah, Mammy, bro, Yabuna, Papa, Mamma,
Mamma, no.
Well, Yabuna,
Oh, we will seek justice, Papa. We will seek justice.
NJFM news, say, what do you say? Because of when you bush in fact, Ghana 40 million. The son of more than knew me or madam. Because who come back according to Isaiah 59 verse 1 going. But here we are, I should send Tiasam, and in San Yetiasa, as well, the name of me, born in near Mujo, and in Jamaican in Tamukawa. Or my see idea so cruel to your bomb by the radio. The 1 year they prefer radio. Mamia reward the age of 90 years. Ababa who bears at 30 years, working back. Yes, I'm to a term Ara Kuberu at Abel, Mia this say young Mamia will see a book because of your money, you knew human rights justice, you knew social system,
Emra manum na fa no moda show mon samti hiama say yesiki justice say ye hiama me no the cause of the dead we need justice who are you here justice
Papa yes ye e bi say wo boss IGP e say pan you for nyina be da social media ade ti ente ho hwe ye nyi obi ahwe sasem we wo do makene Japan for na ntum e be ye adwuma apart from no Papa what you say e ti the nation e ho na kasa because of your quality of Samsung's other man. The war by what is our best Tracano, also your enemy. The age of 90 years. And Ababa waiting the woman in the market was opportunity. We did some need by 7 cherry. And Ababa will be a war hospital. I hear one fan. What did you like at that opportunity? Said then, Nessie, Nia. Now, who can I come as well near Cranating Kobusa, Cranabusia, Papa? Send you obey your Benetewi. A brand to an enemy we are 1 years and pay your Benetewi. No, Mamma Brewer make us every 1 year the mess when they are given the Bria 1 year said to me. And I'm saying, you must say I didn't be denti. Obit me, I did not can't send people and said, okay, will be to make a gross yes, work with the movie. Now, Puni Pano. What does it? If Papa said you work and 1 year, no me a deeper man. No me. What I say? They read the Maya and the people following Maya cassette. Or more boy, what they tell man, a dear foot, a fierce was nigger, a dear foot, and the man, what the kind of ground we enemy. It is no more in Yama and Numia Belkrum, a man who had able to share better man. It is the nation of Ghana, see one paying for one young for, or more than a year. No more money. Sadin baby na ese na ese atia be fo camp no eye nonsense on be sadin yenkam yatia be fo camp o mo be fo camp what say ube kwa mre wan kwa de do makogo on say emre wan o munye no manya dimension o manya yade bebre etu etu ko kasa eso anya be yi ni atin akoro no fo ya sisa mre wan kwa ketesi eni wo udi ase emre wan ketesi kwa na ye be fo tunru. That is so many good enough for Papa treatment you don't move because of Omano, you minimum one. Then my memo way and no more quite Yamun and Cassie is simply a show of breaking. I am fabric when Yagro. What I say? Johnson, you're rejecting me, you're rejecting and the Quabe was switching breast room. Quebec breast room by Wagana, orphanages of Wagana. There are many in the Papa who said, in the power of Graphic breast room or many Papa Wagana. As you never see a incredible children's home, just you only come Papa. Oh, the nation of Ghana. 1 year was one. What does it? And now, so funny be yet. You can't say, Ministers name be me yet, and you will be me yet. You come to a sacrifice. You come up in for it. You see, I will be a man anymore, and my any man. What do you say? A man yahuto and about hospital one who cry and yes, a Claudian, a doctor for nurse for me to Tom, and the mouse of him. And Papa, tell you, man, did you want also manager at Brewa? The age of 90 years. When Timena benefit to be a free Ghana, and in a real and say yes in a ball, ya bull jackasium, I ane so abaifo man wo kunu man wo din be ya se
no nipa kro no say evidence kro onu kuta se nipa ne abaifo na se ode ba aja unim say Bible no wo de me some references bi wa ha enti nipa na obo onuku no say ono so be wo de wo kasa wie because enti say e ba ne say ya de necessary ye say yetime chi obi hu na abo na kunu say
yetime chi wo mo yetime chi wo mo gan ye ni mra bia che so bi e be ye se okunu ye ni abaifo court wo enti the only thing is that e kasa RGP any social one for any woman more Ghana win and a good for man to a young woman the more man. See, Auntie, Sandy Pano, yes, I do it. I'm a brand new to my papa. A young woman, I had the man Ghana. Yes, Cindy Pano, Abrewa. Babro, I want to pray was a winner, a boy the Jauna, a Babrewa, and Panada Jasso. And Pauna, a dejasso, so when I did go a Catano and a red. Abrewanti yabuni etisabi nyansa ni bienu anti nipa no maka no se ntomo nya eti ponkoso
obikra se bono kuno bono omo kachira
e bone na waye mami wodi Ghana sika when watam Ghana se bra ko se baabi anti ye ne yesi ni bo se yesi Steve abo e de bone wo ba bre wa wotu okura e de mu boru ko ni mu he papa Numia says a Ghana paying for 200 more, and Numia Boba Ghana. Numi da support to sir, and you can always see a bono, the Kuru, SCM. Then be I said in the first one, Papa, see, yes, I do, ya. And I am Luca say, and I said 20 yesterday, but with the best of Maganum, Mammy went at Tiamu Fleuraddy. Mammy went at Tiamu Fleuraddy. They were able to poor money when he perform. The radio will poor money when he party, no me with. Already the Afridia Cassia Babro man. It is a money and me, I'm a brand new. Then you power Kunipa. Bob said there were kissing and Wusikam. Young fat football, I'm with Andy Paro. Me and Pina Sudia, Papa. No me do my Ganas. Make up when you are because Mamino, any mamikra, and in the year. Or money won't pay for Mra. It is a bio. Any painful as almost a mile by my him from Solia Cassa. Papa de Bessia and your papa Magana. Every lady or money, any bloody papa dear. For any no meaning, no more Passa the best woman. Sadio Essino, Abrewan, Nifio Radidia Maron, a Radidia Kumipa. As a wusu for 2 million on Sansa Mamini a bay. I am young Bonnie Weddy. Want me on farmers when I away. And keep more Kunu. Abruani TV food channel. And Cabruana Bay is the whole garden to Mammy one ever before. I had my boy.
Not Sandy Pano, what I can was one also Mammy a bay for no Mammy a bay for. Yet your Mammy betroths or Mammy a bay for Obikuno.
Papa, I say we are so long. Grata is some baby embre. Grata is some baby embre. MPC more. One to come Mammy a bay, bet my head say. Go to Mammy Crayani, we need a bit, we need a medication, Papa Biara. Every city, Mammy, free family, Bushaka, Crebu will be someone, and I'm near me to it. Me, Nana, me, Mammy Crown Bay for, wouldn't be funny for hours. Never ever. But if you ask Robert Quaco Bruno, Sabi, never be a Mammy Crow to a new Bush, the Arijan. That he will be a commission with Bibia, and to me, Cassa, a Mammy will be a woman, I dream we are dear, and on many some dimension is a lot of Yadia Bida. Papa, and no, you will be dentist before you do my hospital. And I'm going to obey me, Cassim, because you won't just say my memory of 40 people. But now, what make us some granny rush? Will be to make them grab them as some beat as some big crab in any war. What do you say? And you come and can make us obey for? What do you say? A decided DNA course one. Ghana ban solid. A baba one of Puma, Minu Kunu. Sir, a ban now solid. Then it may be as well as a woman to now solid. I'm here, no me papa, because they say I didn't know me ever to Maganas. The class of America, big chantro, a young Muyani Ponicasia, a girl that didn't want, a ready poor man at it, to be beautiful. The ready to how Pepper, saying then you born you with, young to me and come once a month. Media, ready as a marker. Say I'm paying for solid. Then Muyani Pony way a cost one. Yabia, the best woman, say I never cost one. Mr. Conofo, you have few crew. Ya team be a demon or phone call go na ya kaya kadi do mu fam. What you say? I can't. And we don't want some of my gun on Kenya. Yes, you to me more person. You to me cry a 2 million year more. If you're my way, yeah, mamma, and then dear, or my way. Said I brought for respect to more and paying for a million in Pokra. Kayendia, Kadia, Million in Pokra. Thank you, Papa. And then you may have some work on Yanko Show. Tigana for you and free and two. When you said that, and engineer from Kamasa, who made 2 1 among. Then you pay beer out some ameno, and numbers so more trying or one in some adono. Jensen, then maybe as a bano, and then evidence of what just mammy bay. In the power, and I said, Bonia, I said, Mamma, now my gun in the one family continue in the movie. Yes, I are banning children. Then I know who fought to make men to Santa Moya, a becoso my gun. A becoso more, yes, see us at them, and see Greater Accra, and see Central Guinea, your north for to be a nipper. It's a banning take action for the 6 March. It can't mean time a young more north. If your mammy moon far a quite be say. And yet, it is not for MPC. I can't say NDC for a more enough for he do some almost sorry. Mahama, almost sorry. Woman, one form of Marshall, one and animal, and a more. We need a papa beating, we need super piano. And he have both got that time, I'm blowing 90 something years. When you were losing the memory, and they be yell, boom, oh man, you know, I didn't want to mamma. The papa, Kakra made the best support with the others, and I'm sure. So we are saying, yes, sorry, yes, we are very
Yo, I just Yamin Shaw Pan, one somewhere, one so, and 1 year I can get that was Yamin Shaw Pan over Futune, Miss Rama Evangelist Ben Kusi, Oko Facebook and YouTube, Ninsam Nina Juma, Wire, and someone Yamin Namno, so Hintasama Kasaka said top secret, and then Yamin Namno, so also evangelist. There's a secret and Yamen Namno, so the background is a prophet for you. I say a prophet for you. Yamen Namno, so the top secret and a bro minor. Now, minor, Yason, and Miss Ross open Yamia Samoti, and your futu up and quadje, Ame, when near Kanyamehua, Oko Ben Kusi, YouTuber, or subscriber, the message be on the baho, and Oba Facebook, Siswa, Ben Kusi, Evangelist Ben Kusi. When Sakano, witness in your contacts, I won't go down, dear Bia, or Pibia, where you be a no Korean mini. You can't bon nipa with me can't gun my bonny anymore. He is the only one, or more Macanina, acquires the Pacronia bed, any journey to be Bidia. Now, if you were the higher politics, the way you want to Britain, how on Fagana politics in Yari, and the evangelist apostle, Yamin Shroud, Minimisa, Yabusua, so Sabrebia Bemusua, which Mr. Abbasubio, Yamin Shroud. Yo, Minion as someone Migusu American no home. A Yahometism pa. Mestre, His Excellency John Mama or Tiasia unto Juanamo. Nana Kufuado unto Juanamo. Baumia unto Juanamo. Aha, na Mumma Sadi we nipa no a omagina wa yes ade no se ye betwe saafo na so ama nipa bi enkoye biu ma ye nkasa ye de ma wo mo won ehia so twe fi se Ghana no obi ani kwan so de mrahye ne nsem obi ani kwan so de mrahye ne nsem ana Ghana so wo pe ba bi a servita frate o man ye ka politics and 90% abigina stream because wo pe politics wo ko party bi am NDC mpanimfo 80% ayesrimfo MPP mpanimfo 70% so ana 80% so ayesrimfo and 20 can say srimfo ignorance no omonye ignorance and as a wo penipa am wasrimfo a and ye mummusa srimfo mpanimfo no a omugu akanman mu no srimni bi atukwan na wokonye sika obeba na srimni na wakoto fie wo Dubai na wo yakoto wo America na wo yakoto wo Canada na wo yakoto wo Britain ada no mo fa mie nnuma e wo srim o mo fa mpege fie wo srim wo be kokuma se srimni ba ko fie maako nso ne yere de nan so sanka ho wo be kwa Accra srimni ba ko wo fie maako nwotwe ne yere so wo nan wo fi srim ntimo de mo ye bibi wo srim ema nipa wo ho nya asomdua a enye ene ye pa bayifo a ye papaifo a enka ye nipa a srimfo a mugu akanman mu asisi abrosan ye toaso nsia ne nso etimi wo mako du ana dunum no eye mo Mr. Moa, Mamma prophetize, he got so effort. Mammy, prophetize, Pajotiminka. Now, Miss Enka, Beba live video, Anna.
Me pacho de bi papa ma menkasa.
Yo. And I'm say so. Your mammy evangelist, yes, was an prophetess Hagar. Prophetess Hagar. Some say, will be our who call media, social media. They say one of the big prophetess. Na men nam no so hintasma kese a waka nyina bie ne wonma afili. Aha, bie ne wonma afili. O hye nkomo a emfili. Na enne me danya me asese sa difo nyina ado mo ho ahye asem yi mu. Enti misro ye mama yenti prophetess Hagar. We you be a wohia afutuo empaibo akwankyere nipa a metime di ne ho adanse ana oba a metime di ne ho adanse akyere aman ana se wiase nyina ye prophetess Hagar. On hye nkomo an emfili da. Ena ono nso so nyame nam no so ahwintasem a asi wo Ghana problem asi wo Ghana nyina no metumi akase nyame nam no so e de 90% ba out na sebeta frata Ghana for no yemfa masem ena sebe wonye obi a woda nkrofo gisika hunu a yemfo asem onye hwe no onde ono mfa no oti Germany di nyame beyi na di no waka wopa tie wopa jai aha sede tie no no nti nyame wo nkrofo a wodo no mo ye adwuma na prophetess abasui be person ono so na adwen kira wo no ode ma ye ni nyina yetie na ye hu de ebeye enti maame yesronka ye beti o kakra
Oh papa nyame shao pa odifo papa nyame shao pa ejuma oye ade we se eba ebi wo ho no ma ebeka se enya asofo asem ena ye bloggers ye ena se there bi ese niema se no a ekoso wo man ye nyina ye man enti se bibi se ekoso a ye nka ya no ntum enso ye bekasa ama ye kasa akwachiri na de wo wa sopa no obetie ne de aye adwuma na ede asomdwe aba oman mu papa nyame enhwa me wi aho papa se me te se evangelist e kasa o kase maame no ewu no me wi aho papa obeye den no watene wiase na watimi afa abrewa a wanyini abone bra awie ne nesi kwaso a osuru nyame a wo bo no ebra wode ma no ensonye na wono ane nesi kwaso na wobeje ne nkwa efiri ne nsem papa Bible say lack of knowledge my people perish eya rekusem kese papa sankrofo ebehie nyansa yeni enti oman butu nyansa yeni enti oman na ejira obia de mra ahye ne nsem because of nyansa oman no enipa dodo no enye nipa ni nyina na wo dodo no ni mu nyansa because we yes Bekasi yesi empanyini yesi so mo empanyini enso so mo fo nyansa enya adwuma enya bibia se empanyinfo ni bebre nyame tutu wo mo ade so dada wo ma yesi so no wo mo titi wo mo konna so te se di wo mo da so edi ade wo mo titi wo mo konna so e te se di wo mo wa no ewo twom enso nyame tutu wo mo nyame tutu wo mo so dada because say as them be say a year for money or mining, more profit money or mining, and young girl money or mining. Where was here? You should be a woman see ye. Obia come once a year with Denny Bayer, where you come when you see Bakuni and lack of knowledge, my people perish. Dia omani minti omana ira dia yeka chira man Ghana empanyin for the same onyamote anyama bebre atom omano so enfu ayef so mobafo after prisons e won go prisons enipa go omani mu a wo mo ho chiri wo customer for no tina nyame yi mpanyin obedidi no oko obi aba obedidi no oko ewiasia no enyina so sa oman nyina oman no panyinfo e wo any ade nyina no enso so no die wo be to ne ho asi wo se wo be ye no panyinfo ne si dia ko mama epu ya kasa che Ghana from panyinfo Ghana for esikafo a ewo oman ni mu wo nyame ade wo mu asisi beebi a eho no mo ekwan anase eho ewo animu no obokase ewo mu no omuntu wo mu ndi ensi emobrofo so omuntu wo mu ani ensi wo mu a omunni obi omunni anu a ye de kasa ye kasa obi ni anu o de kasa enya se wo ye mu na no no kasa enuru beebi a sankrofo we ena ewo so mo kana nsem wo papa ya mi yi ade kire me ade anyame yi kire ye na nyame ama ayi prisons odi me wura Ghana prisons baby a emada na wonder me by no watch them and Ghana prisons no and nipa bebre na wamwa enka womo e case na na so womo e problem womo nyae no enka sese adi womo e be prison na omo so enka womo case no dia womo ya ose adi womo be prison bra no so ose adi womo e prison be bra so nya da ye do ma be go so pray but now say woman ni okama fonte na obi emani na mi kire prison honum na wo hwe emma also ebi ma se wo mochi ebi nya na ebi kese awrepo woman ni okama fo oman eki na ekwi ehefa na Ghana ekwi papa any program awuye nyame insha papa sasa e break ebi mono o kasa na omwa omunia no ede kasa nyame na mo so kasa eche wo mu a omuni kasa kasa eche Ghana panyimfo se onyame na si hene ena nyame na tu hene enye ye kasa wo si hene tu hene a enye president nko mo abu wonu ma kase ena mo ye di mo sisi onya so asa hemfo ni ade mo abo ye ministers ni ade mo nyina mo nsole na mo nkoma mo profo e kase nyame na si hene tu hene enye president nko ejuma de kura wonu a enti gabetimi akasa ma bobroni bi ho atono obetimi defend bobroni bi ama ni nisu every nani afi ya wo se wo kwa mo selfish interest one mo yire ne mo pa se ejuma ne ho fe ana bi asema bia wo se onya me se wa we ko na owafo e wo kwa so when sit down na odansifo ya kwa so ejuma ni nyame se wa ma ya mawa ebetimi afruza Ghana panyinfo ma omwani enku omwa wo mu ni bi ho eka ne ya ma mi ya yetumi age ne kra every name because of so ye be yiti the brother statues here this kind ene ma ene kontima ene di pa mo be sama mi wa ye be fu ampa ka so bo no a wo ye ne be ye ne de aka no ho ye de ba kwa sha da ka me de ko lack of money when people perish Nindia yeniti bibi ye bia fa o mai ni mo nyama o boye no e fa ya nkwasiasem ayumre papa nenka sakase de me kato de so se nyame emma ye adwenimutie ye trimu den adwenimutie ye ni ye ni wodo nti wo se de mame na diabre wane da wa wo de ade eboni tin no enka no because when you wodo oni atenka wa bone branu a dia na wa fa ko se ni triso a wo ko a ye ntono di anchira ne sta on fa de kwashe na wa ye wo fi ko no wa ko fa nso su triso wa na be fa obi ya fra nkoto wa ko se kan ni continue ade akobo abre we bi o fie se wo no na ma wunye Usole ya niema wose we mo try we enye ye nta bi people prop and wose we ya tuma tine Bible say sai nya tuma ni didi obi afese o depend on obi kaka ubenya no farada fanya bibi una na maso kaka ko kwa fumu edidi and ko kwa fumu ye ayi da ko so na mo and ko Trump, Eddie. Then go for the brain, I can move back as a just California. The brain for over 50 people on the Tuesday. Then, but you did grass for them. You did grass for them. And so I probably no one among whom and my probably see you want them. If I then Papa went to me, Edwin, you have to because the Bible says when they come to me with that. Who got this side is someone who got to a person. They have to me with that. Also, they came to make your one dinner a 20 pass. It is just on the way I got to a person. I know what you say, kind of country. I got to be with you. They come home. Now, so you may ball with some soup and then it's just one. Yalan panyinfo entie na ahiafo ne mobrofo a ewo omani mo no esu bi egu wo mo kwa mo a enipa bi di wo mo fa so no wo mo sori emma sa mobrofo wi na bible si nipa nani enyame ani ku wo ho na me ku nani ku ye nyina ya ho na su nyanka ekunafo ne mobrofo tie esu wo bia Papa, Miss Law, I mean, a dear now, what done it? Prophetess, Mama, Bajo, Mama. Mama. Hello, Mama. But what do you mean? Hello. Oh. I'm sorry. You not voice not. Hello. 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 I'm sorry, voice not. Hello. You and prophetess Higas also prophetess and on us in Yamen so a dear me some catch them so one day will Ghana mine pink green who have better for my Yamen than a dinner. Now Yamen Nasa Nahin Tassam Adam in Tassam so the numbers was said team view and my tea said in Yami being a knee. Emma a beer Zekel and Nikakas, a coach Zaki says Zaki, you want the my the same thing and Yamia Bima, me and Edna cook prison yard. I caught children and ma a demo, woman nip waff when you have 20. The person you share once and be, you hear once and be, with the book of Genesis chapter 4, verses, the book of Genesis chapter 4, verses 10, Genesis chapter 4, verse 10. And he said, what hast thou done? The voice of the brethren, of the brother, the voice of the brother blood cry unto me from the ground. And now art thou cursed from the earth, which has opened her mouth to perceive the brethren blood from thy hand. When thou till the ground shall not henceforth yield unto thee her strength of figure, and a vagabond shall thou be in the earth. Amen. Now, Bible say, King ekumu unuano. And then Yame catcher and say, unuano muja gu form of Trintia. And into the assembly esma amagana man penny for. Nana kufuado. Or homagana man nara, ye hear justice. Baumia, Chawanisha Ukrum. And ma a trimodensum in free Ukrum and Macao minor. Chawanisha Ukrum. John Mama so Ufisim, Sabita Fracher, and Nisrima 7 America. Once or minor, also be boa minor, Chawanisha DSC. Ye hear some penny for man with the monarchy form. Na Mama justice, ye hear justice on that. Na Emma Wayne Cofano me and me good miners who say, Ubia when you feared your cono. Na will be a wound feared you num to meet in the cuno. And found Sabita Fratres who are courier de Mpoa.
enka eye different onko wia obi ade o onkofa obi ahwe nemum ababa wa ana brante atimi ache na bo na kunedi a menuanom enya adwuma yehia justice mi sisu bio Nana Akufo-Addo his excellence Akufo-Addo his excellence Bawumia his excellent Draham and Mama his excellent Adokofo his excellent John Jerry Lawrence with all excellence of vices we need justice say your software bi ne koya ade we ya enkasamre budoza siaso demo enkasamre ya chi asofo no mpanimfo nyinara obi ani kwa so ofa mra say oman no moma yenka hu se bibi ayeye bia no e wo sunsun aso muntie yenya independent Kwame Nkrumah his excellency Kwame Nkrumah school dan sen en osisi Ghana se enkra ya wo mo nkom school eye Catholic for Methodist for Presby for Anglican for nsore missions and the basic school of Ghana and nipa eco mission schools no enyini abetra cast abetra parliament se omo mpese omo beti nyame din enti entwa religious em free school no ama ye twa religious mo free school mo hu de mo aye nipa amoko mission schools eye missions the basic school die class 1 copy middle school mo amoko sa school ne mo nyini antimi anya nyame nyansa bible si nyansa fiti asiri nyame sura nam se munnim nyansa fize munnim nyame nti makotra parliament se mo mpese mo beti nyame din e wo school mu na sade we ya si bible si enu nti medumi asase no na asase na anyeda amfa no pa ma enu ntimi yehia enne ne kire ya yehia muaye mo pa monye mo pese so amonye na ni nyina mu no obi abetwa so aba sabeta frache se obi a wanya mfie aduokono ye che ne mfie no mienu mpa ababa wa na branche wo nyafa wontimi nkotwe mpra emmobra bone emfa nkosha abrewa no ene saade a muntwe free JSS bedebe muntwem na momfa hwe merewafo no a maame no wasoman no wakwanfuom aya adwuma amasabia bro ana banche ana ayo ana tukuo ana nkate abama na so abadwum abeton amanipa o man mu adibi na sete sa ampade a ene ahemfo wo man mu no monka ma no ntum mo de mo se emfa mo a monka ma no ntum na samadi yekura ohene no a otesa kuro no no ahemfo no a mo se yenyai omane mamo ahemfo no a mo ya dehye e wo man mu no asamadi yekura asante maika se mu no monso mo be ya no dabi mamo de munyi mo ho mfrim na mo ntwe mo na asamade yekura dabi mo beto maame no ene mpanimfo atrans amamu kwa so no ye hia result we be kase na sofo na wo kase kunipa na fa hudi bible say nam se wunuanu moja egu fam a ti afrem intimedo me man no ene intimedo me man no Ghana yo man ya yensuro moja na ukokum abrewa wanya mfie aduokron bible crossing mfie kura wanya nka mfie adioso na wobi a watwemu wase ya tra kodu aduokron watra kodu aduokron ka wo na obu nkotodwe medombe ko ayi job na mahade moma ye hwade soso ewo moma men kan de twi wobi wase professor Exodus chapter 22 verse 18 Exodus 22:18 me no kwatwirim na ya wie na misro wo bibi ka bia no frɛ me yenye din ni anya hwɛ ha yenka samfa ho Exodus chapter 22:18 ka asɛm bi ɛwɔ ha Muntieni yo wase amma obaye ntina ase number 1 timamre obaye funi yakunu ade to asonse yenye obiara a wone aboa dano kumno Muntieni yo me pesa wo fa o bible na wo kan yi pa kan ho yi ba bi a me kan no kan ho yi pesa wo trans na wo dwene ho na won so so wo fa ho adwene afi mo me nhwe Leviticus chapter 20 Leviticus chapter 20 fa wo King James wo na sa wo den wo bia no fa na won so kan ne me kan pesa yi nyina ye hwem. Wait. Exodus chapter 22 verse 23 so shade wo ho mami. Exodus chapter 22 verse 23. 23. Exodus chapter 22 verse 23 to 24. What's it? Me can't treat no my kind English. What's it? So was one so na 22. Oh, sorry, 22 from 22 going down. Munsha oba kunafo ana awisia biara so. Oba kunafo ana awisia biara so. Muntini ye. Munsha oba kunafo ana awisia biara so. Se wo hye won so na osu frame no a na mabufuo ano aye din na mede nkrante mekumo na murinyam adefinifo adenden akomafo na muma ayeye inwisia. Me kan English version 22 to 23 and the same. Ye shall not afflict widower or fatherless child. If thou afflicted them in any wise, and they cry at all unto me, I will surely hear their cry, and my wrath shall wax hot, and I will kill you with the sword, and your wife shall be widows, and your children fatherless. Muntie ni yepa. Ose so tete mobroni. Wo tete mobroni. Wo tete wo hiani. Wo tete obi an ho kire no no sufre no a. Oso onu nyame no beden obetie sa nipa no. Na wo de ohaw ne amane kase beden beba wo so. Na obekun. Minianom asem we yedidi agro a ho. Sa bibia maame no oni kunu. Eni nti ya che ne yabo na kunu. Ebi amaame no sabi bikura na wose ne oni nti ase ya che ne yabo na kunu. Chese woni obi obeka bia ma no. Woni obi obekasa ma no. Woni obi obepa acha ma no. Woni obi a ye na yakayaka de ne ya Bible say sasafo ni su a. Eni ti maame we su ye ntrance ma ne nkofa no me emeka nipa e wo manim. E wo se Ghana mpanimfo de mo beye bia esem ye bia monye. IGP opatie opamentie CID commander opatie opamentie BNI director opatie opamentie all kind of security agencies mopamuntie na dabi no oman no besu arehusu a maamini suye no se ma anye antwe saafo na so na mo amade esese esi ansi amadi pada ehunu mfom so a ebekoso a na we be how kese eni no waka kire kan se kan yen wunua no moja na ekufa mo susiremi o na wo madome o na asase a wote sumpo madome asase no eni nti se wotena ase ahemfo amote asase so no enome aka maame na asase na yekunu no ohina wo krom ho yente wano ne kasa ya chi dipa abonaku no oni evidence onfa evidence correct se maame ne bayifo no mra oni ono oni uniti ase ye bayifo se maame ne bayifo a sa dipa so maame eye bayifo onku no evidence crowd or no menso me wo mutie oman no ye ntrase ma sabi binim mfa mranche wo monsamu se ntrase ma obi nkoye no me de obabi ma no meka asase no Aninti ena meka ne say oman no mpanimfo de wose mo ye bia monye we nye bibi a esese ye kase ye kodwene ho sofo bi na ye ya nke bubu na so da yegu a sofo bi ache obi abo na kunu a nka samre nka Ghana ani adane so ye sofo so wanya sofo ehun hia ye ntrase ma obi nchi abrewa monu nkono obi nkonum wi mechi abrewa monu nkono obi nkonum nsa mechi abrewa mebonu nkono wo public Emma mining translation. Yemfa we nye politics. Eni to man mum panimfo, mamomfa we nkoya hunu masantre se ye kopata na busuafo. Ye kopata na busuafo justice. E wo se nipa kro na wo evidence no wo de ba woni se evidence no a. E wo se ono nso ye kuni bi. You have to go to filing squad. Nye life imprisonment asem. Bible say de moja gu no. De ohwie moja gu no. Ne moja ena obebusa ye hia se bibi dadin obi biara ne nsa ka maame ne biara no ye hia ma se oman no etranse na ye so saafo num na ye do mo ko violence kwa nya afa ne be ma violence kwa Ghana ya ma nti obi di boni se ya ye entranse fi se Ghana fo ye transe ne ye hwa dabi ye kan hunu se ba umia obeya abre obeya akokora o John Mama obeya akokora o Nana Akufo Addo obeya akokora oman mu mpanimfo a mudi oman ne mu obeya akokora fo na ebedru brebia ma ye kumukumu ebeya arewo ebia na sabre no na nka wo ye saade twe nipa ya so tu na sefiri wa enka etu atwa media me ka no kra kire oman no mudi ye politics a edamonim efiri se munwuye mamonyam adre se mewu o politics mu benyina komonim na munyini komonim no sabre no na wo bekwa kohunu anie ya ade a sabre no na wo beti enne a esufro na hemfo wo manimu die mu nnue se mo transe yimoni ohina wote kuro no mu wonnue se mo transe yimoni a samade ye kuro a mo bekwa akote nananom a mote won makonya so no mo kwa akoto akonya wura mena mo kana no kre kwan so wo be kasa anti sofo na wo kasa sofo na wo kasa se sofo bi na asem we koto no ana sofo na obi ko wuto na so dem a nka sam ne police ka twa dan ho ahia enka ya twibudo ze jiri dan nigu oye comfort nti no on the all right so oye mo amome ko Leviticus ne hwa de ho mo ko Leviticus mama yentu anamo adie bi asese ye bia no maame no makunu die nanso so no we need justice to be done fisa obi wu na ye nya obi anyina na chi ankasa saa ne yenso no ebetoa ye nyinara ne ye ntraso so ma obi emekum nipa wo manim enkunkum nkrofo mfa wono ho ni efisa wokonom nsa wokonom wi na sa obetwe obi to ho se wo ye kromfo wo ye de nti wo obo na kunu a minuanom emmoa fisa enam se o man ye nsuro nyame nti ye ya ade etie nyame abode a ye nwene ho wonum a enya akwai ko school ko sua anwoma enka wonum di nimdie bebre man no wonum abetrase a hyemra se ye ntwe nyame so mu mfiri school mu ma abofra bia nsua nyame asem ene mahunu nkwase asem ne mfra ni ma asem a asi abofra no a sabre no nanko wo school esese nko tie nyame asem wo school mu ne ade teten kran bible se nyansa fiti ase ni nyame suru ena akra wo nim nyansa mahunu ne waye na nnome ne beba mu nyina mo so ene nti dibia esese wo bibiara wo sa wo ye original police commander da nakato wani na da wo yire ne wo mabewum ahomiti wuo no ada no bepeja wani atire nyame no waye jimi for atire nyame ene nti se gira bia wo wa wo ho kwan se wutu anamon ema justice edage no obi koko obi wa America ne nam Ghana yes black matters matter no black life matter say black life matter ma me no life is matter ma me abrewa wakwa afuo mu nsu abono mframa afa na awia abono wadina awia so ye aduma firi ne nkra brem ado bro atoko ayuo asoa ne ma beton no dwam amani panya bia di wunni ti ase wo seti ase watch na bunakunu donko ni asi ni atimi achi obi abunakunu o ma na mote wohwe mote ho na mohwe mote ho hwe se wono obi akonom ne nsa se wakonom ne nsa wanom wie o se wakoteki drugs o wabegire ho abeti obi abono Oba besie jina ho jina wase bonuku no ye bayifo. We need all of them to face justice. Not justice say obi beye hwehwe animu say mesrem ma obi meye anim hwehwe animu say wo ye MPP na NDC ni nti wato aduane e de koma nipa na busuafo. Enya aduane ne yehia, enya sika ne yehia, nya ntoma. Yehia say nipa no yehunu say nipa na nya asotwe. Eye very very important man. Yehia pa iso man ye trans ne yehwa ebeduru baabi no ahometi ametiwo na mehu ade no foforo na minim se o Ghana ni ani ti nipa bebre different ministers ya na nkrofo am ne wo mo link na bi send me man of God look at this na so first respond no Ghana we don't have that kind of behavior there. But the next thing I mehu ni say afedie nipa no katwi say bunu kunu abafo kunu na fe house anana mu no ahoye Ghana yan translate I was a bibi biara o man mu mpadimfo ye ema emra edadi no ye na emra eden etoyie sebe ya sebeta frache obi nkonkofa ahaw ne nnumi bi emra nipa no mom ye hwe ade was it Leviticus chapter 20 verse 27 a man also or woman that have familiar spirit or that is wizard shall surely be put to death. They shall stone them with stone, their blood shall be upon their head. Anything my many obey for the pacron on us cross my friend for edru wizards no or not watching the panel or no so says you see that book is an above broker. Munti me mamma comparison be Nini now bedroom. Leviticus 19 29 going 29. Leviticus 19 21 29 going down. Sorry, Leviticus 19 29. Leviticus 19 29. Muntia Samoha. Do not prostitute. Oh, I will come on this one also. Very good. Very good. Now, part A, the moment you Henry answer. 20 verse 27. No? I'm seeking justice here. Bible say, Ubi a bayfua, Yamununkuno, or Mabonakuno. Bible say, so be a duncinia nasa saman frenia, Yamununkuno, and a saman frefor so any who a bayfo no much before. And it the pacronoa, one more a bonukun in any papa. Bible say, we should stone them and kill them. And into or any cross as a movie criminal. And your mamma say, Obeshe. Say a mamra dia ene ya mamra se wo behwe na sa komfo ko no a wonum eche maamene kun no Bible says sa maame no se yakunu ayenku sa afo no so bi tietia enti besrega na aban se omon kofa emma no na atwa ho ahia ne mrante na atwa ho ahia wonum bo maamene kun no sa na tie mon kofa wo mo na monfo mon kofa len square ye hia justice wo manim tietia ne politics we yemfa we ntoaba moma no kra na di na anya sa dabi mon kokra bom memoro abom sa bre no na mo beti lisuo ni arehusum afi mom yenko de toso mienu mesremo makuya pimpolo ne yaso asan mo so as afiaso as niga no muntie ne ye pa metumfo muntie nwene nkwa akiri o man ni mum panimfo antena asemfa mo nansi fom eni tigana mai o mai sese nkra na kire mpanimfo nyanza me busa say internet police police control no director no he yentua neka mfrendi ma sam ne nkwase asem ekoso o man ni se betafrache eni nti o mani hu se moti ho na oba ro no ho tie o man no ye dignity ene emma ewom oba bi o man bia mu dignity ene ma ewom eni nti so oba bi ro no ho no o de ba media ebegu o man nimu animu ase a monka unu se mu gu o man animu ase na ye fi ene ye behwe ho asem me twa asem de tientino mo me hwe ade ewo ye so asem sa Leviticus 19 ho ye beko na mo me hwe ade o man biara monimonyam ene mo ma ene nti se okotra o man bi mu na mu ma emu o mo ho a ibi o mo ba kra o kon no so obeware bi na dia monam eye wo media no sabita frache Ghana for ma aware ahoho Ghana for ma aware ahoho in the law no se obi epesa origin Ghana ni baba free in somewhere he can use this article this media no he can show to them that look at this culture, look at this tradition. I don't want my children to practice this because that is what they do in their country, and the law will permit that lady to lose her children. What the old Ghana wa wrong home? What Ghana mo wrong ho? I feel free HS for my annual. Omuro mo ho de beto media no mesra mo nso omumu kwai piesa mo de saafo no faso emma oman nanim onyam empepa no sabi ebinim abetrase abobra ma me dokoro no beye media nroro mo ho wonu betrase ebe tra media eye niema kan anwensem emma sabi ekire emma enkoda nyansa ene mo betra media say so called deben and na motiwana mo roro mo na mu gu o man ani mu ase mo nkohwe Ghana for ma ya ye mobo ewo ahoho nsem sabita frache wona wote awade ase wa ware bia broni bi ana wa ware hoho bi na wote awade ase ene ye de kire o se na mukromfo se na mote a mbajo nka obeyi ano se hwe afia tie ni ameka tie ni pa wona woro ho ha wo wona do beto abonten nya na busa ho se won kra abrem nka wo school mu na wo classmate ni bi frem e de kire o se hwe wo maame a enta wani beje utwa en wo de haw ne amane e kase e to wo maso wo mana wa wo mo no so wo pese wo mani nya anidie wo pese wo mana ni gi wo wiase wo ba bi betimi ahwade a waye no akono maduru akunu ho afiri se ba bi a wadu ene de o maame aye no obetimi de ahomete anu maduru akunu ho wo ne wakuma akora no sabe wo de waye o wa ro ho wa pepa ho wa pupu to wa yeyi no fu akire wo kọ e wo se o mani mu mpanyimfo efre saafo no ma won emma won e kire won ne wo se oye na wo de asotwe ma won efri se sabita frache se wo kọ Europe a abrofo a ware Ghana for ma adoso wo kọ America abrofo a ware Ghana for ma adoso wo kọ so many countries ya emanfo a ware Ghana for ma na wo tia wade ase na se ye de be kire wo se ukromfo ma na se na mote a mbo wacho wo be dwense wo be kasa wa wade ni gina bre ne se Ghana mesre Ghana mpanyimfo mesre na akufo ado mesre ba umia mesre asante hema oche hema ebono hema emma mpanyimfo amwo manim first lady your excellency first lady mesremo first lady fo amwo manim no nti moti wo hwe eniema sei ayimoni modi amonyema eniti hamo enyanim guase mamo enyanim guase mamo se first lady ohima asante hima atiase ochi hima atiase mfante hima atiase adadango me hima fo etiase ehima hodo amu Ghana bono hima motiase na motim akonya so ena emma eyi o man no fo kire ena eyi man no to kire ena ma baba wo mo kire wiase ena mote wo na mo hwe se motim akonya so se me de me kan tumufo me kan twi mo amamate ase wa asante amamre mu se dabi sasamadu ye kura asante hema ubeya no oche hema ubeya no mfante hema ubeya no obono hema ubeya no ohema bia wote ase samre ya ye gu Ghana mamma ni mu ase pepa ye ho na mote ho na mo hwe na mo yi mo ni se emfa mo sasamadu ye kura mo bekwa ko yi ano o many judges ne lawyers nti munim se e wo se mo trans na mo hwe se ade se enwu o man ufi. This is an indignity e maya bi titi school mu wo be no ma pupu o mo to no mo papa pepa o mo ho wo be ko media hodo says media hodo Ghana for magu hot shower and the mo yi mo ni na emfa mo ho wo ha did we say I did not Ghanaian is Ghana website. Man of God, I said no, Ghana, we don't do this. Ade. Na obi ti me pepa no ho yi no ho to so abontene. na be me bi asidobo se oye me manager na bia na 40 wo hwe no na CID for company 40 wo hwe no na police commanders ti wo hwe no na moti ho se abaya bi asiso a e wo se wo ko school abaya bi asiso a e wo se wo ko school no wo sua nwoma no wonya nimdie be gina o man anim no we also obabi be ya mpia se ya mpaniti ne boafu se mugu mu ho anim asesei ejire mo ho sei esai mo ho sei eti mo boso na mo beye fofofu wi a wo se e obi be pa mpia na edi natem na de maya yiye ya mo mama eye ya munka ho hwi wo be pa mpia ya mfa mam wo be pa president ya di hwe de ma eye wo mo ho na mo te ho afia so asniga mesre wo pa me wenya o last time afia so Ghana Internet Security Agents no munyi directors na di munyi won modi munya parties na munyi won modi wo munni mo left and right bibi obi abemaso wo media bia na wa post se go man ani mo ase se ye de aden what ho internet ayi hwe ewo Europe ha website bi kron ma we ya na block no wo hwe create me block no because Germany and will be sending me some case be nana me study case no and me find the palm question so na me study ya because kasa no a ewo mu no na say free Libya but me check me tie kasa na enye Libya and will be sending me from Israel say me tie kasa na ye ti me send koma obi so Ghana ni bi so ewo different countries the monitor case no and I'm saying no I didn't nye Arab kasa. Me study adene for within 2 hours no ye block on my computer no internet na me use no ye e cancel ye the note bring me say this country is not allowed to practice criminalism or to exercise criminalism. They block it. Cancel program no me study wo me mobile no so any na block on e wo Germany obi ti internet obi adwuma no say o monitor nema eko Ghana so the same thing. One country say be near Ghana. Nkrofo akọ school kranim de to office. And the woman say wo dia akatua di nti so obi te office. No wo dia akatua di. Na say abaya bi baba no ho na wo tra say me post tu. Hwe I'm giving Ghanaians assurance say the background funding means e de bre obi o Europe a. And into the muntu fan asset ya. Let me be aware, we will make sure of them. Look, so we could even a British passport, another German passport, another American passport, and I will support to Sanyaman, edges Sanyaman post you are. They will take that your passport from your hand and take you to Ghana to go and face justice there. And into men can't them say Yenisha Beye. Cassa person obey a honche. Muntu Wanamon, Miss Ramo, some young person, your better Sadiano, and I swear via as a nigga on away. So on no for many pedria and Yeshia. Onum your man no ejapade no man ani munyam na de ha me ne se momma benyini na sa ankoda no onum be di ho yawo if se wanyine duru gina brebi na afei wo picture afei wo maame media niema wo maame aye obi de betisi wo anhwa wo ba no na koma ye ne yasa na wafa duru no wanom no wawu wo beko ohaw mu e wa samado anase e wa temu the book of Leviticus chapter 19, 29. Do not prostitute thy daughters to cause her to be a holy. Let the land fall into whoredom and the land become full of wickedness. Ye shall keep my Sabbath and reverend my sanctuary. I am the Lord. Regard not them that have familiar spirit, neither seek their wizard to be defiled by them. I am the Lord thy God. Thou shalt raise up before the herod's head. Was it? Se wo hu obi ani trinwi aye fufuo mpo a sorry menenidie. Honor the face of the old man and fear that God, I am the Lord. Bible say, abrewa na kokora, yemfa nidie man kokora na mrewa. Last 2 years or last year or something like this. Turkey government, Emma and Merwa enya 80 years above echo sika ma wo mo. Enti yentimi antwe sika ana tontoma ana anya japade anya bibia ma Merwa ne nkokora ni anye. Ene ya chi wo mo ne ya sha ase esi wo mabo. Ya sha ase ne esi wo mabo. Obi ti kro no adwuma efre na adwuma so onye bida. Nsane wi ena onnom. Abaya bi ti kro no won de mfa na ho ne draws kura ne 24 hours dwan abreche kama akra afre na obekọ. So ho na se okoye ya abortion se wo yefunu uwie na de besoma obeso ma me we kunu a wa bra Bible say ma yenwuye ho fi ma yemfa fin yemfa dwaman enwu asase ne ho fi afesi wo hu panimu mpo a sabenka wafu dwene a kafani die ma no sori yemfa ni die man kokrafo ne merwafo sa ne ma wi nti o manimu mpanyimfo se impo no sabeta fracho sabe mesremeka se impo babran kampo a enka yese obi ne ka kire wo se momma yemma sa adie anya adwuma o mani ewo Europe ha wo de opa akokro abrewa ukurapoma obefrutunya transnatwi wani na hwede beto transnatwi wani ya hede yi baabi amrewafo no mpontra omo ba na aye makra no e o se wo ye yongo awo sore especially bema abrewa na akokra na sebe obi a wo yare ana sebe opemfo da bi ye de yenim sa se ya baba wo bi no obi de nsa keka no anko man ni nyina sore ya abrewa de da bi police ni kokko bo ababa wo bi e wo bank Ghana ni dane se kiti abrewa wa bobra Bible say uhu de ni trimu wadwene asore no da bi ono de yenku no hwe me kan mo ate ase se emerwafo no kokorafo moja de na ehu sine sabita frache enkra maba wa ne merwa moja times 10 me de manu besi na mesremo wo a wo la isu bia no hye na ma obi anto asante Ghana mpanimfo moma yemfa nyame asem na enkyire ni pesu ayeye fise saadie wei eyenim guase yakase ama mani ewu ama fise menamfofo asofo kokofo ne Africafo ne other nationals amene wo mo link obi ehu am say no this is Africa na me so well it could be but my country we don't practice it at the end of the day na matter say munkuno kuno na yetimi akuma abrewa to abontene o my beni enti munsuro no me munsuro moja ye wia na yakaka se o my we de omukum ni poma na Ghana me de manu besi mesre asem we baabi a wo bi a post to be ko share your watch party na Ghana man panimfo entu ho anamon o hene wo krom ontu ho anamon regional commander Chronesis no ontu ho anamon na obi biara owo ho bia mfanye nyansasua abrewa no moja ho hia Bible asisi dua se yen yuhunu obi a impo no uhunu obi a impo ni trinwe afudwene a enka sore fa ni die man na abrewa ne akokrakra de enka uhu omu ayeden sore gina ho wo de wache na ku no enno mekese pa na eba o man ne so o man ne nsesa me de meka na enyesa me dome man no eye no me de na o man no ye si antete yie ne ye nsue nyansa ne ye nim nyansa nyame obekire ye nyansa atete yie eye ba kope efese nyame ka kire Israel asase na mokoso no bone ne no me de ne achiwade ne atrimode sem o mo ye nti na me pam wo no makotra so na se yeti asase ne so asase a gold diamond niema babra kan nyina wo so gold wo so diamond wo so ensupa ye nom e wo so ewo man na asase mu na yeti asase we so kum nipa nkokrafo ne merwafo a Bible say hu omo a yemfa buo ne anidie ma wo matra Arab country but so be hu akokora na abrewa bi a no wokra wo fere hu na se osi utrase hu panimu akokora na abrewa wonhwe no osi utrase enye se wo ye tuntuma na wo ye kokko osi utrase na watia no watwam ye de ya chi bia si na bo akunu bi atwi nani medema no osi na moma ye nwene nkwa akiri dabi obi a no waba akokora na kon asimanim na wuntimi nwane nyame sɔre wɔ so a ɛdi na ɛya na ahomete mesi dabi ebia na kon asi ɔmanim na saa abra no ukura poma na wuntimi nwane saa abra no na obɛkai maame wuei sɛ ɛnome ato saa abra no ubesusu a ɛdi ne ahomete wuo saa abra no wani bɛbrɛ na nso wunya boafo moma ya nwene nkwa akiri we seek justice for the woman who have been murdered by wrong act. Any murder is murder. Those who are involved of the crime, we need justice. We seek justice from Ghana President, His Excellent Nana Akufo-Addo, His Excellent Bawumia, and His Excellency, all of you. First ladies in Ghana, we need to hear your voice. All the queen, Ashanti queen, Bono queen, Oche queen, Infante queen, Adadonwume queen, Northern region queens. We need all the women, all the queen who are responsible of the woman. We need to hear your voice. Never keep quiet. Ghana is making a point that we don't want to accept women in position. If women keep doing this, how do you respect the blood of yourself? This is the time that Ghanaian women should stand and defend the blood of woman, or else you will still remain at that position. Not man that is depressing you, but it is you that is condemning your own self. Arise and fight for the woman. For the blood of old woman is crying against a whole nation. Please, we are not ready to be punished by God. We need justice to be done, to be innocent from such a crime. God bless you. God be with you. May God increase you. The word of God said, honor an old man. That is a word to Ghana Parliament. This should not be in politics and hypocrite. This should be direct justice. If blood of a woman is crying against a nation, it's very dangerous. Remember, Yasantua fight for a whole nation. And now, the blood of Yasantua again is crying for justice. It is very bad and very sad. God bless you, wherever you are. I salute you.